Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a demo account in MetaTrader 5. I have done this before, so that is why I'm making this video. So if you haven't done it, this is what you're going to do. First of all, you're going to click on this button that is here. So once you click on it, you're going to select manage account. You click on manage account. Here you are going to see all the accounts that is connected to your MetaTrader 5. Now, if you see, you're going to see some accounts here. You're going to see this. You're going to see that this is a demo account that I created. Let me delete this. If I want to delete it, what I'm going to do is to hold it. You're going to see delete account here. If you click on it, do you really want to delete this account? You say yes. Now, these are the accounts that I created before. So I'm going to start again so that you see how I create accounts, demo accounts using MetaTrader 5. Now, what you're going to do is to click on this plus button that is here. So you click on it, you're going to see this. First of all, if you're not seeing MetaTrader 5, you come to this find my broker and type MetaTrader 5, which is already here, this meta quote. So you once you click on it, you're going to see open a demo account. Open a demo account here. So you click on it. Once you open a demo account, you are going to see these options that are here. If yours are not here, you are going to fill them up: your first name, your second name, your date of birth, phone number, email. Now over here, you're going to select the leverage you want for the account. So I'm going by 1/100. Okay, so this is the leverage I just want to use for the purpose of this video. Now you can as well select how much you want to deposit. If you look here, you're going to see different prices. Let me select 100,000. Okay, so these are the details I want for the account. So once you're done, you click on accept. Once you click accept, you click on register. Now here you're going to see your login, you're going to see your password, you're going to see this investor. So this is like a final confirmation: your new account successfully created. Now you don't need to copy this, but if there is need for it, you can actually copy it. So once you're done, click on done. Now you can see I have a brand new demo account here. This is 100,000 USD. Let's assume I want 500,000 or 5 million USD. So any amount you want. So you can always come here again, click on this button. Once you click on this button, if your broker, which is meta quotes, is not here, you come here and type it. But since it's already here, I will just click on it. Now once you click on it, you're going to see open a demo account here. So you click on it, fill in your details. If you have not filled it, it's because I've filled in my details before. That's why I don't have to fill them again. They are already here. So I've done this before. Now once you're done with that, you click on accept and register. So you see I have another password, another login for this particular account. Okay, I didn't choose the amount. Well, you click on done. So now you can see I have a demo account here. I have a demo account here. So that's how to create a demo account in MetaTrader 5. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe and give us a like so that you see our subsequent videos. And if you have a problem, drop them in the comment section. I will go through them and make a video if necessary, and I will be here to guide you in your trading journey, especially if you're a beginner. Subscribe. Let's make the money together. Bye for now.